Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman Pilot's YouTube channel. And today we're going to be talking about your canopy rails. You have one on each side of the canopy, and they have a particular wear pattern. And the problem is they get a little too thin on one side, and then they have to be rejected. So we're going to talk about how to mitigate this problem and show you an extreme example. So stay tuned while we have some more fun with this fun topic of our canopy rails and all the parts therein. So we would like to ask you please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notify to stay current with our content. Now the rail that we're looking at right here is your standard rail, but you'll notice that there are no spline nuts in those holes. We had to harvest them out of this used rail so we could reinstall them in a new rail. So this rail is worn past limits and all the spline nuts have been gone. By the way, those spline nuts are almost $4 a piece and they're hard to get. I think the last time Ken and I and Fletcher ordered them, we had to order like 1,000. So everybody should have plenty. Now those are the spline nuts as they look. It's just a blind capture. It's a nylock nut that has splines on it so when it goes in. Now what I was pointing at right there is the worn spot, and you can see the front edge of this is worn a lot compared to the rest of the rail. That's why this rail has been rejected. So take good care of your rails, ladies and gentlemen. You want to make sure that you do clean them, and you want to make sure the tracks are good. Don't just spray WD-40 in there and think you're going to slide them easy, because that's just going to build up dirt, it's going to build up grit, and it's going to wear them even faster. So ladies and gentlemen, we hope you found all of this about your rails and the spline nuts and therein useful and informative. Thanks so much for watching, and have a good day flying your Grumman. And as a little treat for you, as the cats enjoy their treat, there they are munching down on some wheatgrass we bought at Kroger's the other day. They love the heck out of that stuff, and so enjoy them chomping on their little dessert.